Hi everyone, and welcome to a new week of drawing. This is your introduction into your assignments for this week and exactly what we're going to be covering. As you guys already know, last week we covered stippling, and for the past few weeks we've been speaking a little bit about pen and ink and how to use that in some of your own drawings. This week we're going to start to move into value, and essentially value is the same exact thing as shading. We're going to be using some of our materials that you guys have probably already used some this semester, but we're going to be using them entirely this week, okay? The three main pencils you're going to be using are your 2B pencil, your 2H pencil, and your ebony pencil. Now, just to clarify, and there'll be more instructions in some of your videos with the assignments, your ebony pencil is the pencil that looks kind of metallic. It does have a slight sheen to it, but this is going to be for your darks, and you're going to use this pencil a little bit more hesitantly towards the end of your artwork. This will pop your contrast meaning the darkness of your darks in relation to the lights of your highlights, okay? So this week, a few things I want to cover. First of all, the basics of shading. It's very important to understand the importance of using the weight of your hand. You could have 12, 13, 15 different types of pencils, all with different types of lead. But until you actually understand the weight of your hand, so how hard you press in relation to how dark you're going on your paper, you're not going to fully understand how to use value properly. Also, one of the main things I try to preach when it comes to learning value, and again I say learning value, is to not use smudging. Smudging is a bit of a crutch, especially when you're starting out just to learn value. A couple reasons I don't smudge particularly, especially when I'm using graphite and pencils, is because first of all, the oils of your hand press into the paper and can end up degrading it over time and also changing the color and appearance. Secondly, it's more of an aesthetic decision because when you smudge it, you lose a lot of your middle tones. You might get the overall impression of value, but you're going to lose so many of the intricacies and the beauty of value itself. So I just try to tell you guys not to use smudging because it will become a crutch for you in the future, okay? So as we move forward into these videos this week and into your assignments, I do want you to remember, if you're gonna remember one thing, focus on the weight of your hand, okay? How hard are you pressing and how much can you control the variety of values all the way from your darkest darks to your lightest lights, okay? So go ahead and watch the instructional videos and your assignments. If you need anything, email me this week. I hope everybody's doing well. We've had some wonderful pieces of artwork that have been submitted in our Canvas, and hopefully we'll be finding a way where we can share those with each other very soon. So everybody take care and happy drawing.